From the moment I purchased my Grand Design Solitude 310 GKR, I knew storage was always going to be an ongoing challenge, especially in my pass-through storage compartment. From watching YouTube videos, I decided to purchase the MorRyde Sliding Cargo Trays. Our first chore was to straighten the existing slanted wall that was blocking several square feet of usable floor space. With the help of my talented friend Bill, we set to work scoring the back side of the wall to create a 90-degree corner behind the Nautilus station. The water pump was also in the way, so we had to shift it closer to the back of the Nautilus station. Close the wall with only 4 screws to allow easy access later behind the wall if the need arose. I carefully diagrammed the pass-through compartment and the area the 2 cargo slides would fit in. Using the cargo slide spec sheets from the MorRyde website, I found the 20-inch wide cargo slides I needed. One 90-inch long cargo slide and the other 72 inches with their corresponding part numbers. MorRyde doesn't ship directly, so I ordered them both from eTrailer.com. Both of mine have a carrying capacity of 800 pounds and will extend 60%. They also have sliding trays that will extend 80% with a carrying capacity of 500 pounds. Note to self, next time look thoroughly for the hardware in the shipping boxes. Using the diagram, Bill and I had no trouble laying out the brackets and easily bolted down the tracks for the cargo trays. The cargo trays will clear a 1.6-inch door lip. Mine just barely cleared that, so I ordered the height extensions for the cargo trays. The entire installation process was straightforward and quite easy. After careful shopping on Amazon, I located 20-inch long semi-translucent containers that would fit sideways on the cargo trays. Finally completed in December, I began stuffing my house into my RV. Eventually, I would be in and out of the pass-through once or twice a day. I can't imagine living full-time or even part-time without the assistance of MorRyde Sliding Cargo Trays. Thanks for bearing with me while I learned to shoot, download, edit, and upload my first video. There will be more to come as I live and travel full-time in my new home. Please click like and subscribe to see what my next project will be.